I cloned a $20,000 a month YouTube channel. What would you do if I told you that someone's earning $20,000 a month on YouTube without filming, editing, or even showing their face? Sounds fake, right? Nope. One faceless channel, Screen Addicts. This channel has racked up over 920,000 subscribers and pulled in more than 1.7 billion views just by posting AI-generated Family Guy clips. And here's the crazy part. I cloned their exact strategy. Today, I'm going to show you how to duplicate this success by creating your own fully automated faceless YouTube Shorts channel. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to making serious revenue without showing your face or spending hours creating content. Step 1. Selecting a profitable niche. When it comes to making actual money with YouTube Shorts, your niche selection is everything. For instance, look at Screen Addicts again. This faceless channel is pulling in over 30 million views monthly and banking around $10,000 annually, all with AI-generated content. That's not just talk, it's receipts. So how do you replicate that success? First, you need to zero in on niches with high CPM, cost per 1,000 views. This means targeting audiences in countries where advertisers pay premium rates, specifically the US, UK, Australia, and Canada. The most profitable niches right now, TV shows and pop culture are bussin'. Avatar, The Simpsons, The Office, Family Guy, The Last Airbender, and Harry Potter have massive engaged audiences. Sports highlights are another gold mine. NBA, NFL, and UFC moments get millions of views. Additionally, finance and business content like money hacks, investing tips, and side hustle strategies perform exceptionally well. On the other hand, stay clear of low CPM niches. Soccer content, ASMR, or random viral compilations might get views, but they won't make you that bread. They attract audiences from regions with lower advertising rates, which equals less money in your pocket. Once you've locked in your niche, it's worth noting that you should study the top performing channels in that space. Find out what videos are hitting millions of views, then reverse their approach. Because of the simple fact, if it's working for them, it'll work for you too. Step 2. Creating AI scripts in seconds. Now that you've picked your niche, it's time to create your content. But here's the juicy part. You don't need to write a single word yourself. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Let's look at Screen Addicts once more. They publish fully AI-generated Family Guy content that pulls in millions of views monthly and makes over $10,000 every 30 days. You better believe they aren't writing those scripts manually. They're automating the entire process. You can copy their exact method. First, locate high-performing videos in your chosen niche. Go to a successful channel like Screen Addicts and select a video with millions of views. Then grab that video URL and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the URL into ChatGPT and prompt it with, "Transcribe this video and summarize the script." After that, give ChatGPT a follow-up instruction. Now rewrite this script, but instead of Family Guy, make it about your niche, whether it's Harry Potter, UFC highlights, or other. Make sure to specify keep the same structure and pacing. For maximum accuracy, enable web search in ChatGPT so it can pull real episode references and timestamps. This ensures your script contains factually correct information that resonates with fans. By following this process, you will have high-quality, AI-generated scripts ready to go in under 10 seconds. No brainstorming, writing blocks, or creative struggles. Just copy, paste, and move on to the next phase of production. Step 3. Creating professional AI voiceovers. Now that your AI-generated script is ready, it's time to transform it into a professional voiceover without recording a single word yourself. Meanwhile, this is exactly how Screen Addicts automates their content too. They don't use human narrators. They leverage AI-generated voices, making their production 100% hands-off. How do I generate these AI voiceovers instantly? Use 11 Labs for ultra-realistic AI voices. This tool provides voiceovers that sound indistinguishable from human narrators. Simply copy your AI-generated script and paste it into 11 Labs. Next, select a voice that matches your niche perfectly. If you're creating TV show content like Family Guy, The Office, or similar shows, choose a casual, engaging voice that keeps viewers hooked. For sports or finance content, go with something more authoritative and energetic. After that, just generate and download your voiceover. In seconds, you have a professionally narrated AI voice ready. The entire process takes less than a minute, and the quality is so good that viewers will never know a real person didn't record it. Step 4. Video creation. Alright, this is where the real magic happens, the creation of the video. Now that we've got our script and voiceover, it's time to bring those words to life. Here's the thing. People spend hours editing videos, syncing clips, adding effects, and messing around in Premiere Pro like it's some kind of video game. But nah, we're not doing that. We're using AI to do the heavy lifting fast, smart, and clean. So first off, when you're creating short videos, you want speed and volume. The golden formula is 2 shorts a day. To make that happen, we use Video Talk AI. The process is simple. You log in, hit the faceless video option, drop in your video script, or upload your AI-generated voiceover. Choose 9:16 aspect ratio, set the time to 60 seconds, and boom, you're almost there. Now, choose whether you're using static images or animated clips. For this niche, go with animated visuals. It just hits better. Pick a voice that matches the informative educational vibe, something that's chill but confident. Choose the realistic video style for a more professional look, and click generate. That's it. Within minutes, you got a polished short ready to post. Before publishing, you can even customize subtitles, change video clips, swap music, or add sound effects. This ain't editing, this is orchestrating. And now for long form videos, here's the play. Take your full script, use 11 laps to generate a clean, natural voiceover. Choose a solid voice like Adam or any realistic tone that sounds human. No robotic nonsense. Once voiceovers are done, import everything into CapCut. Set your canvas to 16:9, that's YouTube standard. Drop in your voice files and start layering the visuals. You'll mix in stock videos from sites like Pexels or Canvas with AI-generated clips for those scenes you can't find footage for. Use Leonardo AI to create those extra shots that describe the scene. Hit generate and you've got it. Then add transitions, auto captions, and subtitle animations. Make them pop with glowing effects, cool fonts, and color that catches attention. Throw in your background music last, adjust the levels, and you've got a high-quality banger ready for upload. This is the stuff most people fumble. They overcomplicate it or spend weeks editing what you can now produce in hours. Step 5. Getting monetized and maximizing your revenue. Now that you have a complete system for generating scripts, voiceovers, and videos on autopilot, it's time to focus on making money. The goal? Get monetized as quickly as possible and optimize your earnings. To qualify for YouTube monetization, you need to meet 2 requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 3 million short views in the past 90 days. This might sound challenging, but it's totally achievable if you're posting consistently. Post 1 short daily to speed up monetization. Consistency is everything in the algorithm. If you're publishing 1 short per day, hitting 3 million views in 90 days is completely realistic with the right content. Make no mistake, using trending topics with your niche is crucial. If you're creating content about Family Guy, NBA, or Harry Potter, stay on top of what's currently popular to increase your chances of going viral. Focus on increasing your RPM, revenue per mile, and CPM. Target high-value audiences. YouTube pays significantly more for views from the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, so make sure your content appeals specifically to these audiences. Above all, increase watch time and retention. The longer people watch, the more YouTube promotes your content. Use fast pacing, engaging clips and subtitles to keep viewers hooked from start to finish. It's also essential to make sure your swipe away rate stays low. If people skip your video quickly, YouTube stops promoting it, which kills your growth and revenue potential. As your channel grows, you can even negotiate brand deals and sponsorships. Even smaller channels can get paid to promote apps, products, or services related to their niche. Additionally, explore music licensing deals. You can partner with music publishers to play their tracks in your shorts, earning extra revenue on top of YouTube ads. Some creators actually double their RPM just by implementing this strategy. Final step, scale and multiply. Once your first channel is running smoothly and generating income, don't stop there. This is where things get really interesting. If you replicate this strategy across multiple channels like Screen Addicts did, you can double or triple your income without adding extra work to your plate. The formula is simple. Post daily, stay consistent, and scale across different niches. Eventually, the money follows, and we're talking life-changing amounts. Remember, the goal here isn't just to make a few $100. The real play is building a portfolio of automated channels, each generating $5,000 to $20,000 monthly. With the right system in place, managing 5 to 10 channels is just as easy as running one. So there you have it, the exact blueprint for cloning a $20,000 per month YouTube channel. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future strategies. Drop a comment letting me know which niche you're planning to target first.